In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Trello workspace. Whether you're setting up a project for work, school, or personal organization, learning how to create a Trello workspace efficiently can help streamline your task management and collaboration. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Trello.com. This is your one-stop hub for everything Trello related, and it's where you'll be setting up your new workspace. Once there, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page and click on it. For those who already have an account, you can sign in using your email credentials or your Google account. If you're new to Trello, you'll have the option to create a new account, which is quick and free. Both login methods are equally straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen prompts to get access to your Trello account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. This is where you manage your boards, workspaces, and personal account settings. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of this page and click on the icon that represents your account. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Create Workspace and select it. Now you're in the Workspace Creation panel. Start by giving your new workspace a name. This name should be something relevant and recognizable for the tasks or projects that you plan to manage here. After naming your workspace, you'll need to choose the type it falls into. Trello offers various categories such as business, education, or personal, which help tailor the workspace features to meet your specific needs. Next, add a description to your workspace. This step allows you to provide a brief overview of the purpose or scope of your workspace. While it's optional, adding a description can be very useful, especially when collaborating with others, as it sets a clear context for all members. After entering these details, click on Continue. This will bring you to the final setup stage, where you can start inviting people to join. If you have collaborators, you can quickly add them by typing their email addresses. Alternatively, you have the option to copy the invitation link and share it with them through your preferred communication platform. Of course, if you're just setting things up now and don't want to invite members immediately, you can skip this step and add them later. Remember, having the flexibility to update and improve your workspace structure over time is part of what makes Trello a practical tool for project management. And there you have it, a brand new Trello workspace ready for you to customize and utilize for whatever projects you've got lined up. Enjoy the organizational ease and clarity that Trello brings to your workflow. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.